What a hell of a way to wake up.
Jackson, West Virginia, Gunnock, Lewis, Lincoln, Logan, Mason, McDowell, Mingo, Northwest Fayette, Northwest Nicholas, Northwest Pocahontas, Northwest Raleigh, Northwest Randolph, Northwest Webster, Hudson, Ritchie, Rome, Southeast Fayette, Southeast Nicholas, Southeast Pocahontas, Southeast Raleigh,
Well, I know it
Southeast
works.
Randolph, Southeast Webster, Upshur, Wayne, Word, within Wyoming. Through Friday evening, scattered to numerous showers and thunderstorms are expected to develop this afternoon and evening. This activity will decrease in coverage tonight with the loss of heating, but additional thunderstorms are expected to develop on Friday.
That scared the fuck out of me, man. I was laying here dead asleep and it did that.
Rain on average with locally higher amounts of 3 to 4 inches. As a result, flash flooding will be possible, especially in areas with saturated soils from heavy rain in recent
You even
days.
scared my cat.
You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. Now here is the regional climatic report. The following are the low temperatures recorded between
Oh my God.
and 8 a.m.
I'm sorry, guys. It just startled me.
Parkersburg, 70. Jackson,
I thought I was having a dream. Oh my God. Reasoning? I was actually dreaming about a storm. Hey, don't touch that, baby. Oh my God. Oh man, don't tell me the advisory light's gonna be lit up or warning light, whatever. No, I'm sorry. The watch light.